you clicked on this video, you're obviously interested in these. Back with another one. Turk Money on the beat. Alpha Romeo on the street. Before we get into this video, let me tell you about this giveaway. If you subscribe and you like this video and you put in a comment your favorite shoe, you'll be automatically entered to win this beautiful, luxurious puffer jacket. Fire, huh? Fire, huh? Once we get to 50 subscribers, we'll announce the winner in a separate video. Enough yapping, let's get into action. Today we're unboxing the KD Galaxy 4s that we hit on this past weekend. I mean, I will do, obviously, something off to the side so you guys can see how it looks with the box, everything like that. But we're gonna get right into it. Did you guys hit on these or did you guys sleep on these? Be honest. Be honest with me in the comments. I feel like a lot of people slept on these, but the reason I didn't sleep on these is because these originally dropped when I was in high school and I didn't get them in high school. And this is a special shoe because this is my first pair of Kevin Durant sneakers ever. We have a basic box, Kevin Durant, his logo on the front, basic black box. I'm excited about these, to be honest. Something about new shoes, it's like new car smell, man. Oh my gosh. These are sick, guys. These are absolutely sick. Oh my gosh. As a hooper, this makes me smile because I'm feeling the bottom. You hear that? If you a hooper, man, I might sell my LaMelos and wear these on the court because, man, these are fire, bro. Fire, absolutely fire. The biggest difference that I realized between these and the 2012s is the soles. It's like a little bit more detailed, a little bit more paint on there. I guess that's what you call it. Or the Galaxy, there's a little bit more on there. Pull for lockdown. I'm glad I hit on these, man. What do you guys think? Can you wear this as a casual shoe or not? Is this strictly a basketball shoe? It's not really too much going on as far as other things that come in the package. It's just that, really. So I'm not gonna really take out the other shoe, but it's beautiful, man. The inside, I wish I could show y'all. This is dope, bro. Look at the bottom. This is real dope shoe. I'm excited that I got these. Like I said, I don't do this channel for money or anything like that. I do this just to connect with my other sneakerheads and to connect with people who thoroughly enjoy sneakers and who can't afford them and kind of sort of want to live through me. But man, this is real dope. So like this video. If you like this video, obviously subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to comment in the comment section your favorite shoe or comment anything that you want me to discuss. I will be glad to discuss it and you will automatically be entered into the giveaway. I'm your boy Trendsetter Kicks with another video. As always, peace, love, and happiness. I'm out.